Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there?
Hey, hold on.
Who's there?
I'm representing for the bitches. All eyes on your riches. No time for the lil dick. You see, the bigger the dick, the bigger the bank, the bigger the biz, the better the chance to get close to his rich friends. I'm going after the big man. My G-string make his dick stand. Make it quick then. Slow head by the nightstand. Like lightning. I want a nigga with a red ring. Bank accounts in the Philippines. Black metal take care of things. See, I fuck him in the living room. While it's churn home, I make him eat it while my period on. A little nasty hoe. Red bone, what a classy hoe. Young jazzy hoe. And don't be scared, cause if you're curious, just ask me hoes. And yes, dicks like the tongue's quite natural. Cause I'm the baddest bitch. What?
Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there?
Baddest bitch.
Who's there? Who's there? Who's there?